Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on how I pre-poo my hair. I've done one video on pre-pooing and I used aloe vera, very old video of mine, but lately I have been reintroducing pre-pooing into my hair care routine. I don't pre-poo every single week, maybe twice a month, and it's reminded me just how beneficial pre-pooing can be. For those of you who religiously pre-poo, they might do it a little bit differently, but I'm just sharing what I used and how I do it. When I pre-poo, I use oils to pre-poo, and in today's video I used 4 oils and I'm going to show you how I mix them as well. I eyeball the amounts. I don't have like actual measurements like so many milliliters or tablespoons. So I went in first with Jamaican black castor oil. The first time I used Jamaican black castor oil was back in 2012 because I have been on my hair journey for a long time. I'm not a fan of Jamaican black castor oil. It's too thick for me, but pre-pooing is something I like to use it for. So this is the Sunny Isle black castor oil. I put this in first. Then I went in with a local South African brand. I think it's called Ahura. This is an aloe vera hydrating oil. It's holistic and it's natural, and it is a conditioning oil that also promotes hair growth and stuff like that. So I did add some in. Something I like about this oil as well, which most oils don't have, is they have like this little stopper here. So when you're applying it, like when you're sealing your hair, this is not for pre-pooing. For pre-pooing, I took this off, but you dab it on here. So it puts just the right amount that you want, and then you can add it instead of spilling or pouring the oil and it gets very messy. So Ahura, something I really like about this oil. The third oil that I went in with is from Naturally Curly. This is their hair and scalp oil that's infused with the natural blend of vitamin E, tea tree, castor oil, grape seed, coconut, and sweet almond oil. It's for dry hair, split ends, as well as scalp care. And then the last oil that I went in with is from the Moisture Factory, also a South African brand, and this is their hair elixir. It's a moisturizing and sealing oil, and it also has an anti-breakage formula. Naturally Africa, I think, is also an African brand. So as I said, I kind of eyeball the mixture according to the length of my hair. I just used my finger to mix it, and then I started the application. Most people detangle while pre-pooing. I can't do it. My hair does not cooperate, so I just applied the oil in larger sections, made sure every single strand of mine was 100% coated with the oil. So you can take smaller sections, larger sections. I just made sure I applied it. I then went in with some heat. I put a shower cap, then a plastic bag, and then I went in with a microfiber towel. Put that on my hair. I let it sit usually for 20 minutes, but on this wash day routine, maybe I left it for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. But pre-pooing is a step that I don't want to always do. It's too much of work for me. So generally I pre-poo for about 20 minutes. You can do it overnight if you like. Afterwards, I then rinsed my hair and then shampooed my hair, and you guys will see the results. Lately, I'm enjoying how soft my hair is feeling after pre-pooing, and I'm actually really appreciating the step. So if you have color in your hair and you find that your hair is dry, or you just want some extra TLC, think about pre-pooing your hair. I know different types of hair porosities don't necessarily need to pre-poo every single week, but you know what, guys, give it a try once a month or twice a month. You are really going to enjoy it. And something I forgot to mention as well is I did also apply the oils to my scalp, gave myself a very good scalp massage. I enjoyed that. So the benefits of the oils, I really got the benefits. My scalp got the benefits, stimulating the scalp, adding some oils for hair growth, which I don't really need, but it's always nice. And then also the other added benefits to the hair. And as I just said, hair and scalp benefits for the oil. If you need to add heat when you're pre-pooing with the hairdryer or hooded hairdryer, do so. Or you can just, use a plastic bag, a deep conditioning cap as well will do the trick. And yeah, guys, this is just, how I am pre-pooing, at least twice a month. And what I'm using, because these are the oils that I do have in my hair stash. So I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek of, how I'm pre-pooing my hair. Drop your comments down below. Let me know how you are pre-pooing. Give me some ideas. I can add them in as well. Thank you guys, and you will see me again. Bye.